How to share Instagram story to WhatsApp status. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Simply click on your story. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three dots located at bottom right corner of your screen. And you'll find all these options pop up. Click on share, which is below copy link. Then it will show you all these apps. Simply click on WhatsApp. After you've clicked on WhatsApp, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on My Status and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on arrow located at bottom right corner of your screen and then add it to your status. This is how to share Instagram story to WhatsApp status. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.